Want to highlight key info on your website? Let's see how to use aBlocks info box block in just a few steps. First, open the page where you want to add the info box. Then, search for the info box block and insert it onto your page. Next, choose a pattern for your info box from the available designs to set the initial layout. Now start customizing. Let's begin with the icon settings. Change the icon placement. Fix the icon alignment to ensure it looks perfectly positioned. Set an icon gap from the content to create a balanced spacing. Adjust the content alignment for a polished and readable layout. Add a content gap for spacing to enhance the overall design flow. Enable or disable features like button hover, badge, and icon options to tailor your design. In the draggable item area, disable the button or apply other customizations as needed to suit your preferences and enhance functionality. Switch to the icon section to customize your design. Upload an icon or choose from our wide range of options. Set the icon size to fit your layout perfectly. Select the view type, default, stacked, or framed for a unique style. Choose the shape, circle, or square to match your design aesthetic. Add a link if required to make the icon interactive. In the Style section, set a primary and background color for the icon. Rotate it, adjust padding, and add border radius for a polished look. Move to the Heading section to start customizing. Input your heading title to define your section. Select an HTML tag to optimize for SEO and structure. Customize typography, text shadow, and text stroke in the Style section for a unique look. Set normal and hover colors to enhance visual appeal. Now add your info box description to provide key details. Set the size to small, medium, or large to fit your layout. In the Style section, adjust typography for the perfect font style. Add text shadow and text stroke to enhance the text effect. Set normal and hover colors to create a dynamic visual impact. Once customized, save the page. Here's a preview of your created info box with aBlocks, professional and eye-catching. For a quick start, insert a container block to set the foundation. Click Import Template to access ready-made designs. Browse pre-made info box designs to find the perfect one. Select your favorite to add it to your page instantly. Tweak colors, layout, or content to match your unique style. And that's it. With aBlocks, crafting beautiful info boxes is fast, easy, and fun, perfect for elevating your website. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips, and happy creating.